What an- But this is not gonna happen, dude. Do you not measure these things? How this happened, dude? What? Nothing happened, but it stop your vehicle. It's already red light. Override must turn. You see, it's written clearly here. Override must turn. You are override, man, and obviously it's a red light. You see, exactly at the red light. It was the red light, and you just go from there. You see, no way. 11 foot 8 plus 8 bridge, and he just goes like that. No way, dude. This happened. You gotta see these things. It's either your life in danger or someone else's life in danger.